The golden rays illuminate the city's modern marvels, stretching towards the iconic Golden Gate Bridge, welcoming a new day in San Francisco. The Dow Jones Industrial Average closed up 250 points today. Tech stocks continue to outperform expectations in the Q4 report.
Phase 1 transformation complete, reverting surface strata to pre-urbanization state, analyzing historical artifact integrity.
San Francisco, 1800s, reconstructed.
This is the San Francisco Bay in the year 1840. A pristine wilderness of rolling...
The quiet hamlet of Yerba Buena awakens slowly, a peaceful refuge by the western sea.
The historic Mission San Francisco de Asís, or Mission Dolores, showcases stunning Spanish colonial architecture.
All right, heave. Watch the tide there, lads. Nearly there, Cap'n. Roll it in.
San Francisco. And that's either it's some working or laying that the back here and seeing Dr. names of
Gold. It's gold.
By the heavens. Look at this. It's gold, pure gold.
If they find out we kept the supplies, we're dead.
We just need to get through the winter. Nobody has to know.
Gold! Gold! Gold from the American River! Boys, I've got the evidence here. We have found it.
They called it the Gold Rush. And here, in the quiet streets of Yerba Buena, everyone, it seems, had rushed away.
Gold discovered in California.
Steady as she goes, men. We are through the worst of it.
Signal the fleet to maintain formation. The tide is turning in our favor.
Welcome to the graveyard of the Gold Rush fleet. Hundreds of ships, once symbols of ambition. The abandoned wooden sailing ships are so tightly packed together in the harbor that their rigging and masts are hopelessly tangled.
I told you those supplies were mine. They ain't marked, you understand? Finders keepers out here. We need that lumber more than you do. Move aside. This blasted mud is slowing us down. I told you we should have taken the planks. And I told you they were too crowded.
It is balanced. A fair trade.
In a time of extreme inflation, this mountain of gold is required to purchase a single, solitary egg.
Another successful harvest from the mud. Keep digging, my friends, keep digging.
Regardez comme c'est beau. La croûte est parfaite, juste comme il faut.
That pile is looking mighty fine. I raise. I'll see your bet and raise you these two. Read 'em and weep, boys. I win. Move your goods. We're stuck solid in this muck. I paid for that spot. Get your wagon out of the way. You can't just leave it there. Move it.
The flames consumed everything in their path. The volunteer companies fought bravely, but the wind and the wooden buildings were too much.
We'll set the frame right here.
This foundation is solid. Pass me that plank, quick now.
Got it.
Apply the mortar evenly across the surface. Ensure the joints are completely filled for maximum fire resistance.
The newly completed Montgomery Block, a massive, beautiful 4-story brick building standing proudly among the smaller wooden shacks of the growing city. Within these walls, raw gold is transformed, each strike of the press forging the precise weight and detail.
Heave! Pull! Get that cart moving, we got more coming. Dump it now, let's go!
Welcome to the hotel. We hope you enjoy your prolonged stay.
The famous Niantic ship. Its hull forms the ground floor, while a proper wooden hotel structure has been built direct.
While traffic rushes above, this incredible cross-section reveals the perfectly preserved hulls of massive wooden ships.
Fan out and check that alleyway. I want this sector secured by dawn. Watch your step, partner.
Pardon, this street is far too crowded.
Fresh water, get your fresh water here. Keep moving, watch the ropes there.
We made it! After all this time. Yes, look at the city. Fresh fish, very cheap today. Come look.
Only 10 cents for the silk. Best price in the city.
Finest porcelain from Canton.
Pull harder, gentlemen. It's a big one.
I'm trying. Get this side.
Careful with the net there. To the toughest blokes on the docks. To the ducks. Another round, lads. The night is still young. I'll drink to that.
The easy surface gold is gone. The end of an era.
I found it. Pure silver.
Secured deep beneath the city, this represents an unprecedented accumulation of wealth. Nearly 1,000 tons of pure silver.
Welcome to the Palace Hotel. Allow me to show you to your rooms.
Looking up at the steep, grassy incline of Nob Hill. Sitting at the very top are...
Come on now, pull!
Beneath the city streets, this massive woven steel cable transfers power at incredible speeds, a testament to modern engineering.
Isn't the view simply breathtaking, Eliza?
Indeed, Charles. This new conveyance is quite marvelous.
This map shows the explosive expansion of the new cable car network in the 1880s, rapidly connecting the burgeoning city of San Francisco.
All right, hold tight, everyone. Engaging the cable now. It's gonna be a rough one.
Warning, do not approach moving machinery. This facility provides 24-hour power to the municipal grid.
As the marine layer surges aggressively over the hills, the iconic city by the bay disappears beneath an impenetrable white blanket.
All right, lift together now. Heave! Keep that line straight. We got miles to go.
The great work is accomplished. East and west are linked forevermore.
This arduous task, planting life where none should exist, is vital if these dunes are ever to be stabilized.
Magnificent, the magnificent, fully grown Golden Gate Park. An incredibly lush, vibrant green oasis with
the stunning, ornate white wooden framework and shining glass of the Conservatory of Flowers in Golden Gate Park, glowing brightly in the afternoon sun.
The beauty of this park is simply unparalleled, wouldn't you agree, my dear?
Indeed. The ferns are particularly lovely this afternoon.
The highly intricate and beautiful hand-carved wooden gingerbread trim is a defining feature of these classic San Francisco Victorians. Standing here in Alamo Square, we see the iconic painted ladies. These colorful Victorians have graced countless...
All right, men, easy now. Lower away. Watch the east corner. Steady on.
Welcome to the magnificent Sutro Baths, an engineering marvel where the city meets the sea. The majestic, towering wooden Victorian architecture of the original Cliff House, perched precariously on a jagged rock.
Eleanor, watch this dive. The water's splendid today.
It is indeed, George. Are the children still by the wall?
The close of this century brings the dawn of a new age. As the gas lamps fade, these brilliant...
Behold, the jewel of the Pacific, San Francisco in the year of our Lord 1890.
It has begun. The wait is too much. Soon, everything will collapse.
Geologists have warned for decades. Tonight, the sleeping giant beneath the Golden State is beginning to stir.
They are waiting in the mist.
Behold, the elegance of late 19th century San Francisco, a dense metropolis of wood, sleeping soundly beneath...
Get out!
April 18, 1906, 5:12 a.m. Attention Bay Area residents. A catastrophic structural failure has occurred at San Francisco City Hall. Seek shelter immediately.
Look at this! The entire house just slid right off the foundation!
Oh!
That gas line is ruptured!
We have to get out of here! The sirens are coming!
Look upon the ruin. The prophecy is fulfilled. The city of wood is cleansed by fire.
Blast it! There's no pressure at all. We're losing the block.
The devastating aftermath. Over 500 city blocks are completely reduced to flat gray ash.
Stir it slow now, don't let it stick.
How much longer do you think we'll be here?
Hard to say. Keep the fire going.
Don't talk earthquake. Talk business.
Pull harder! We need this street clear by sundown! Heave! This joint looks solid. Built to last.
Earthquake resistant, just like the plans.
And so we dedicate this magnificent structure. A palace for the people, glowing bright.
Welcome to the Panama Pacific Exposition, a magnificent city of plaster and light. Rising.
The towering 43-story Tower of Jewels, covered in over 100,000
The stunning Greco-Roman architecture of the Palace of Fine Arts, perfectly reflected in the calm waters of the lagoon.
Extra, extra! Read all about it. Get a move on! We'll miss the boat! Move!
Watch where you're going, buddy! There's no room here!
W.E. Norton I, Emperor of these United States and Protector of Mexico.
All right, cut her loose. Let's see how deep she goes. Cables released, Captain. Massive impact.
The deliver. The incredibly massive, silver steel structure of the completed San Francisco-Oakland Bay Bridge stretching miles across the blue water.
The Golden Gate, a narrow passage where the Pacific Ocean collides with the bay, creating currents so powerful they terrify even the most seasoned sailors.
Watch your footing up there. The tension is easing. Get the clamp ready. Well, I guess that's why they put the net there. I'm all right.
The iconic International Orange is more than just a color. It's a primer, protecting the massive steel from the relentless corrosive fog.
Look at this. It's absolutely magnificent.
We finally did it! The greatest bridge in the world!
I can't believe we're walking across it. Keep those rivets flying. We need this hull sealed by morning.
Almost done here. Moving to the next section.
The imposing, isolated rocky island of Alcatraz, completely surrounded by cold, dark blue.
The beautiful, fluted white concrete cylinder of Coit Tower stands proudly at the very top of Telegraph Hill, overlooking the entire bay.
The pyramid. The Tran Pyramid, an icon of the San Francisco skyline since 1972, continues to dominate financial district.
All right, heave! Push together now, heave! Keep it moving. Steady, lads, steady.
The living legacy of the 1840s.
The Dragon Gate, or Paifeng, has long served as a vibrant entrance to this community, blending rich history with the energy of a modern city.
Lombard Street, often called the most crooked street in the world, is famous for its steep, winding design and beautiful gardens.
The new gold rush.
Look at that. It's definitely a hull, an old one.
How did an 1850s ship get buried right here in the financial district?
Crafted from the finest indigo denim, featuring the iconic red tag and signature copper rivet.
Restoring the trim requires patience and a steady hand. ensuring the new colors really pop against the historic wood.
The marine layer rolls in, a spectacular cascade of white, against the iconic international orange of the Golden Gate Bridge.
The massive influx of California sea lions at Pier 39 is a stunning example of nature reclaiming its space.
Time stops for no one, and high above the city its march is marked.
The iconic Bay Bridge, a triumph of engineering, is now illuminated by thousands of dancing LED lights.
Running 24 hours a day, the massive braided steel cable is the engine of the cable car system, constantly pulling the cars along the tracks.
The object that started the absolute madness.
San Francisco, where innovation meets natural beauty. As the sun sets, the city comes alive. The glowing blue AI digital grid sweeps one final time over the modern city, perfectly outlining the ghost ships buried beneath. Looking back down at the busy asphalt street of the modern financial district, knowing exactly what lies beneath the concrete. Searching for the next story.
Subscribe!
Which city next?
Hear that? It's the sound of San Francisco, a tradition since 1873.
For many, the call of the wild was the call of gold. This weathered steel represents both the hope and the hardship of the early prospectors.
Step through the threshold and discover a world long past, where elegance reigned supreme.
All hands, brace the yards! Make fast the sheets!
Swallowed by an incredibly thick bank of white fog, the Golden Gate Bridge becomes almost completely invisible.
As you walk through these elegant arches, you are greeted by the stunning views of the bay and the bustling marketplace.
The painted ladies, glowing warmly in the incredibly rich, golden light of a perfect... Once the cable reaches the nexus point, the city's power grid will stabilize.
Paul Valex, the resilience of the city. Scorched and battered, it is one of the few structures that survived the devastating 1906 fire.
The Sutro Baths were once the largest swimming complex in the world, now reclaimed by the very ocean they overlooked.
The magnificent Palace of Fine Arts, with its massive dome and highly ornate classical architecture, has
Rising over 800 feet, the Transamerica Pyramid dominates the city's financial district.
The massive steel cables of the Golden Gate Bridge are under constant, immense tension, an enduring symbol of engineering strength.
Welcome to Chinatown. Please enjoy the festivities. The food smells amazing. Let's get some skewer.
The infamous island of Alcatraz, a seemingly inescapable federal prison surrounded by the frigid, treacherous waters of the San Francisco Bay.
A breathtaking panorama of the city by the bay, from the iconic Golden Gate to the bustling financial district.
Hear that crunch? That's how you know it's real San Francisco sourdough, fresh from the oven.
Ocean Beach, known for its powerful and often dangerous surf, stretches for miles along the San Francisco coast.
B-roll. The sprawling, glowing, high-tech corporate campuses of Silicon Valley shining brightly at night, just south of the city. The grid sweep confirms the presence of the vessels. All units prepare for Excavation Protocol 7.
A breathtaking and completely calm sunset over the San Francisco Bay. The water is pristine, mirroring the vibrant sky. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and check out our other videos.
The story concludes.